Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making this very flavorful roasted chicken, couscous, sautéed cabbage with some pepper sauce. I am super excited. Let's get started right now. I already blended the peppers, onions, and garlic. I am mixing this all together and I will set it on the side. I cleaned the chicken really well with some lemon juice and water. I am adding some seasoning. Feel free to use any kind of seasoning you have. I am adding a little more than half of the peppers, onions, and garlic I blended. I am also adding some olive oil. I am rubbing this all over the chicken. I will cover this and let this marinate overnight. If you are short on time, you can make this the same day. But I recommend being patient and letting this marinate overnight. I have parchment paper over a baking sheet. After placing the chicken, I will pop this in the oven. You can join my membership We Be Cooking to access full written recipes, ad-free content, members-only videos, and early access to new videos. The chicken is in the oven. Let's make the pepper sauce. I heated a little oil in the saucepan before adding the rest of the blended onions, peppers, and garlic. I also added some seasoning. I will let the sauce simmer till most of the liquid has been evaporated. Let's move on to the cabbage. I am heating up some oil before adding the chopped cabbage. I also added some seasoning and spices. I will let this cook for 5 minutes. I want to keep the cabbage a little crunchy, not super soft. If you're not a big fan of cabbage, you can add some lettuce on the side. For the couscous, all I did was follow the instructions on the back of the box. I added the water and some oil. Once the water started to boil, I added the couscous, cover the pot, turn off the stove, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Feel free to use rice instead of couscous. I will fluff the couscous before adding some lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, I will mix this all together. I took the chicken out of the oven. They are looking so good and smelling so delicious. This is an easy meal prep or dinner recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.